That's right, y'all. Like I said, I haven't learned. I'm still giving you my sorry ass reviews. So enjoy this one. This is actually new. This ain't even backpacking gear. This is more like camping gear, because when we went backpacking on the Lake Aloha little backpack trip, my boy, how we roll, catch him on Two Dads Fishing. Link will be in the description, or he might be on Uno's page too. Uno 707, link will be in the description. But he brought a little wooden stove, and I was like, yo, or grill. I was like, yo, that's nice. He bought the mini, so I bought the regular. The mini, he was saying, was heavy, so I had an idea that the regular would be heavy, but I actually didn't pick up the mini, so I didn't know how heavy it was. I bought the regular. This is why it's not a backpacking grill. This is the case. This is the case for it. Real talk. This is the case. It's not in the case yet, but I'm letting y'all know. This is the case. Like, I can put some gear in this, and this still won't be full. Maybe, I don't know. But I went on and bought the regular size grill, which I might return and get the mini just because of how big it is, or I might just get a mini. I might just have both, who knows. But here it is. As you can see, I already took out the box, but this is it right here. It comes with a little, I won't say spatula, but it comes with a little grip thing to pick up the, yeah, it comes with that. This is everything it came with, was the bag, the grill, and the picker upper thingy thing. So how we roll, I got one. I got the regular size. Not gonna lie, this is too heavy to be a backpacking thing. This is more like a, I could see myself taking this on the paddleboard. I don't see myself putting this in an actual backpack and going hiking at all. I don't. This is like, this is heavier than my tent. Actually, this is heavier than like 3,000 milliwatt battery chargers. And I have those. I'll show you. Am I still recording? I don't know if I'm recording. There's no light on. It's recording. Alright, so what's up? 3 of these. I don't know if you see a 30,000 milliamp. I have 3 of them. You know, 3 of these is heavier than these 3. And just a reminder, I only take 1 of these on backpacking trips. So no, this is definitely not something you'll backpack with. Maybe maybe overhaul or overland with, yeah. Paddle trip, I don't know what kind of bag this would fit in. Like, I got a 60 liter or 50 liter or whatever, but I don't know. But it's big. It's big. But let's set it up and see how it works. GoPro, stop recording. So, first of all, I do like this design. You can obviously take these out and put them in or whatever, which is nice. I do like that design part. You can use it to carry. See if you could. So yeah, you could probably use that to carry like this if you want to. But I like the design a lot, actually. Just saying. The setup, however, one end that's longer than the other, so it comes underneath and through. And then you just put it down like that. That's the setup. That is the setup to your stove, your grill. That is the setup right there. Me personally, I came prepared for this review. Got pine and little sticks. I didn't bring my lighter, so let me go get my lighter. Good for. I'm gonna test it out for a paddleboard adventure and see how to do with the packing and the weight. I will say this is not a backpacking stove. Maybe if you don't care about weight, then go ahead, go to it. But if you are caring about weight, I wouldn't take this at all. It's definitely too heavy and too big. I feel like this is better for like a car camping. I could see this being used for that, to go camping with that, or when you're out, or if you want to go on a date and have a picnic, then maybe take that. But when it comes to putting in miles or possibly packing for an overnighter or a few days, I don't see this as something I would take. I do believe you need to have an additional windscreen, because just the way it is right there, it took me a while, because where I live it is real windy, so it took me a while for it to catch and just go, but I got it. No lighter fluid, no nothing, just pine and dead broken twigs. Outside of the weight and the size, I think it's a great grill. This is a UCO Flatpack portable stainless barbecue grill, or stainless grill. I got it on Amazon for, well, I paid, how much did I pay? I'm not doing it, paid. I paid $32.99. It is now $39.99. The mini is, which I most likely will get the mini instead. The mini is $32. So most likely I'll do another review for the mini. But this is a nice thing to have for the car. So I feel like I have my car grill with me now. Yeah. Anyways, hope you guys like the review. There's your little vents to have the air breathe through. I do believe this is too big though. But it's nice to have. This definitely could feed maybe 2 people, 3 people maybe. 2 people if you want a double patty, 4 people if you just want a single patty. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 steaks, 2 fishes, or 1 fish, maybe. I don't know. This is definitely not for a group of people though, unless you just want to cook everything 1 by 1 or 2 by 2s. But yeah, that is my review. Like the video, if you like the video, if you like the review, like the video just because you came on my channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this grill. Me personally, like I said, I feel like it's more for a car camping, or I'll test it out and see if it's good enough for a paddleboard overnighter, but that's it. I will say, make sure you guys have water, so when you're done burning, throw the water in there and then you can get rid of your ashes. Me personally, what I do is I'll get water with my wooden stove. I'll get water, wet it down, dig a hole, throw my ashes and stuff inside that hole, then cover the hole back. Put more water in the hole and then cover the hole back up. That's how I do it. But yeah, it's your boy TRUU. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, or just subscribe. Press the like button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think on that. And I will be doing more gear reviews, and I will show you guys my gear soon. For example, I just got this. I can't wait to test this out. I can't wait to test this out. It is windy here, but deuces. Just to get out and enjoy yourself for free. You don't have to buy a paddleboard. It's nice. Or if you do, you can buy a cheap paddleboard. You can buy a kayak, cheap kayak. You can get a floaty, those tubes, and just get a paddle and do this. Or you can just get a backpack, get some water, good shoes, and go hiking. Or you can be like me, caveman it, since I forgot my water shoes, and do it barefooted. I wouldn't recommend it though, because these stickers, you feel them pretty good. Feel them really good.
Let's watch as the wild Henry enters his own domain. Unsurely footed. He heads back to his natural habitat, never to be seen again.